The nature of reality. What I perceive to be real, and what you perceive to be real, may be two totally separate things.
Of course. And it's true. Neither one of you two are right.
Now, I believe one thing, and I believe another thing. So therefore, there are two things that are true. The things I believe and the things I believe. Alright? Now, one of myself believes that Rick just asked me for a cigarette. Another one of myself believes
Did Rick really take that cigarette?
Rick doesn't even exist.
Yeah, right.
Because Rick is a figment of my imagination. Rick is a figment of my imagination, and I invented him to keep me company.
You son of a bitch! Why dare you?
I could have picked somebody else to keep me company.
How dare you?
However, I wanted somebody lively.
You created me. I want your soul.
I could have created somebody a little. In fact, I could have created a little 16-year-old blonde girl.
You can't have sex with her. Oh, you're too old.
However,
tell him.
I created.
He's gonna go into that. My dick's the same as everybody else's dick.
Hey, I tried that. It don't work.
I know.
My dick may be littler than most 16-year-olds, but I want the teenage pussy, but I can't have it. Right.
What do you say, Dave?
Come on, David.
Well, I would say my dick's bigger than any 16-year-old.
He's hung like a fucking mule. Dude, he's got a dick like this. He's like that. Dave, sorry. You gotta understand. He gotta walk around like this. Sorry, people. Oh, sorry, man. Didn't mean to bump you.
So anyway, the nature of reality is what we were still talking about. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, alright.
Good call.
I perceive us to be sitting here. However, I could be laying in a hospital bed somewhere.
We could be an orgasm of his imagination.
No, because you'd be splattered up against my leg. You'd see one of my orgasms. You know.
Nonchalant orgasm. Oh my God! Smoke a lot of pot.
We can't turn it up.
Hey, don't turn it up too loud, otherwise we're trying out the camera. We're trying out this great video that we're making, this documentary about real life.
Come on, gotta get now. Record this shit.
I got you.
I want to see this.
I got you, man.
Cheers.
You know, I've seen a lot of people walking around with
I can get a close up of you right here. Look,
close up.
Yeah, look, hey, look, Rick.
but the pussy don't care.
No, people, you had it right on.
Right here. You got it. So like, Dave, can you see it? I'll get you a close up.
My boy, the nature of reality.
Yeah.
The nature of reality is what we were discussing. What I perceive to be real. Sure, I can perceive pain. I can perceive a lot of things. However, I can be made to perceive these things. I met a hypnotist once. I met a hypnotist once who taught me a lot about hypnotism, and he taught me that under hypnosis you can believe a lot of things. You can believe that somebody's burning you with a match, even though they're just touching you with a fingertip, and raise a blister on your finger because you believe you're being burned. So,
there we go. Burn yourself with a cigarette. Come on, Rick. We'll get on camera this time. There you go. I'm getting close up. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Wait. There we go. Open. Hold on. There we go. I got a close up right there.
So the nature of reality. I believe we were talking about the nature of reality. The hypnotist taught me this. He taught me that we can be taught to believe that anything is true. Right? We can be taught to believe.
I got it right here, black man.
That's it.
I got it, man.
Pain is just up here, bro. Pain, love, hate, disgust is all up here. It has no relevance unless it exists up here. Right, Dave?
So, the thing is, what is relevant is what happens to you is relevant. If I don't know what happened to you, it's not relevant. If I saw you burn yourself, it's relevant to
If
me.
you know what happens, it's relevant. If you don't have a clue, it's irrelevant.
Exactly. If there's a starving child in Ethiopia, I don't know about that starving child. It's irrelevant. But if I know that starving child, it's relevant. I know you burn your arm, so yes, it's relevant to me.
What makes it?
If what I perceive is real. If what I am perceiving is not real, then what you just did didn't happen, man. It never happened. You see. It could be possible. It's possible.
Alright, let me beat off on your camera.
I'll use a different video for
It's
that.
entirely possible that was a staged event.
It was staged. I didn't feel no pain at all.
What I'm saying is,
It was staged.
now, look at this one. Look at it this way. Look at it from my point of view. Let me explain what I'm trying to explain without don't interrupt me anymore. And let me explain myself. Wow. Okay. A hypnotist can convince you that if you touch your finger,
Oh, you will. It'll be
you can
good.
touch somebody with your finger and say, I'm going to touch you with a hot match and it will burn you.
And we went over
And it
this.
will leave a mark. That's what I'm saying. A hypnotist, a good hypnotist, could do that.
Yep.
In other words, through hypnosis, we may convince people that things are real, when in fact they aren't real.
Indeed.
Okay. The nature of reality, that's what I'm talking about. You can convince people that reality is something other than it is. Reality is what you perceive it to be, and your perceptions are what is programmed into your brain. Your brain can be programmed to perceive anything,
It
man.
don't mean program. Perception is what you know. Your personal perception of your fellow being is how you perceive them to be. If you perceive them to be a fucking idiot, they're idiots. If you perceive them to be genius.
Well, let's save some footage for tomorrow. Anything you want to wrap up with today, and then we'll start again tomorrow.
Well, do y'all understand what I'm trying to say? That reality can be faked.
I think, therefore I am, but you only know that you think.
It is.
It's like solipsism. Rene Descartes.
I have no idea what I was trying to tell Ricky. I have no idea that I'm even sitting here, man.
No one does.
I mean,
Hey,
reality.
get your ass out of the camera, man. Let's get a good. There we go.
That's gonna be awesome.
Reality is based on perception.
I just perceived Ricky's ass in front of my camera.
You got it.
Uh-huh.
I perceive that I'm sitting here, but could this be a hypnosis thing? Could I be hypnotized into think I'm sitting here? You know,
Maybe. Anyway, I guess.
So, anyway, reality is not. Reality
No.
there is no such
reality
thing.
is just.
Reality.
Reality is.
My last word. There is no such thing as reality.
Alright, Matt, you're too close. I'm not gonna get a good shot. You're good there. Here you go. Alright, back up a little bit, man. I'm not getting you another ass shot. I'm not mine. There we go. Alright, that's enough. Alright, we got your ass. We've already got enough ass. Turn it down a little bit, Daddy.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so, we're back out of reality now.
Turn it down a little bit.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so
It's still up pretty high.
now it looks as though they're
Well, I'm gonna pause it then.
Hey Dave, did I leave a big
Well,
ass?
it won't record if it's too loud?
It will, but I mean,
Hey
it's
Dave, what
drowning
happened to
out.
that knife I left? I stuck in the trees that used to be under hot water heaters. I need a knife before I leave.
Maggie.
Trust me on this, Ray. You won't need a knife. Well, you might need this, though. You might need this.
Come on, let's go over the woods, man. We're gonna find this path and I'll record it. It'll be good.
You might need this.
We'll go exploring. Alright, I'm signing off.
No, listen.
Well, I was.
Listen. Rick may need this.
Uh-huh.
This is a magic flute. He could possibly need this. There's one thing going over the mountain. When you go over the mountain, there's a certain part of the mountain where things are not right. And Rick may
It's like
feel, Rick
Deliverance. We're gonna
he
get
may
attacked
feel a
right
little
by right
woozy.
next.
He may feel a little woozy when he goes over the mountain. Okay. If he starts to faint, tell him to stick this flute
Up his
in
ass?
mouth.
Alright.
Tell him to stick this flute in his mouth and blow a long note on the flute. Help will come.
Uh-huh.
It may be in the form of other little fairies, you know,
Like himself.
Bitch, did you just call me
Hey,
fairy?
don't hit the camera guy. I didn't. Dave did it. Dave did it.
No. I'm saying.
Dave, did you hear what Dave
I'm
called
saying-
you?
I'm saying you can call magic fairy.
I'm
That's
so
what
gay.
I'm saying. You
Ain't I gay?
can. No.
Check this out. You wanna know how gay I am? I'm gay.
Rick's had a lot of practice because he plays the mate flute a lot.
I am melodious.
If you find yourself in grave danger,
I just go.
and help will come.
Or they'll kill me.
Fairies,
Whichever comes first. Either help will come or help will kill.
fairies will come.
Alright, I'm gonna save some more footage. I'm about to sign off.
There you go.
Fairies.
Alright, one more time. One more time.
Fairies will come and help you.
One more time, let's go.
Fairies will come and help you. If you need more help. If you need
Keep
more
this on
help.
tape, my boys. I want to keep this forever because
We got it forever, man.
if I got
Don't fall over there.
No tackle me, man.
I'd never tackle you. You're too big. You're too strong.
I know. I don't want to hurt you,
Right
man.
here. You take it.
Hey, RJ.
No, you in case, now listen, there's a spot on top of the mountain. There's a spot on top of the mountain where you may be in danger. You could be in grave danger.
Uh-oh.
Bastards. Don't listen to him. He's evil. Oh, that son of a bitch. You see him?
Hit him. Get him.
That son of a bitch.
Whap!
Get him. Kick his ass.
Whap! Whap!
Kick him.
Leave me alone.
Pow!
Leave me
Pow!
alone. You evil bastard.
Alright. Well, I gotta save some footage, damn it. I'm logging off.
Alright,
Any last words then before we leave?
Wow!
Rick Dog and Dave Dog. That's all the footage you need.
Oh, no, I got one thing to say, man. One thing to say.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, motherfucker, man.
Pimp dog, nigga.
Yeah, we like real nizzles.
You tell him, dog.
We nizzles.
We nizzles, dog. You tell him.
Flowers and nizzles.
Dave, you got you just
I'm
had a
giving-
beer spill. I'm recording.
No, you're not giving it to
I'm giving. No, I was going to show it to Greg. To show him your weapon.
Beer spilled all over.
Show him your weapon.
Here you go. Let's see what we got. We're taking this in the woods.
This weapon is magically enhanced.
With the fairy weapon,
It
right?
will slice through fairies.
Uh-huh.
So if you meet any fairies,
Dave, that's a good knife. We don't need that motherfucker.
Here, we'll get a good shot of your battle scar on your head, right? Where the police beat you up. Fuck, it's too
We
dark.
don't need it, man. We just need a knife.
no, you don't.
There we go.
Shit, man. You know why?
Do you know how,
Don't you have-
infested Tennessee is with
Don't you
bobcats?
have belief in your own strengths? Your
Fuck
strengths.
you!
Your strengths will get you through, man.
Well, I need a knife, regardless. What do you think's got me through this long? Dude,
What do you
you
want?
know how many people I've cut up?
Here, take these pair of pliers. This pair of pliers will get you through.
No,
Nothing else will, man. This pair of
You're
pliers.
crazy.
No, it's a magic pair of pliers. That'll get you through, man.
You're crazy.
Yeah, I know you're crazy.
You're crazy,
You're going over a fucking hill.
Have you ever been over that hill?
You think there's fucking like maniacs living on top of my hill or something?
There's maniacs on every corner, bro.
Over the top of the mountain,
We
right?
got it. Yeah, we're recording. Let's go.
Listen,
Oh, hold on. Let me
listen,
grab it.
look at me here for a second. I would like to say goodbye to you guys, but goodbye is too good a word.
No,
What I
let me
really
borrow a
want to
sweater.
say, what I really want to say is good luck, because when you get to the top of the mountain, there's going to be a certain spot where Ricky is going to feel a little
Pass
bit
out.
funny. And when he gets up there and starts feeling a little bit funny, well, God bless y'all all, and I hope the best for you. And don't let him take any.
Do you have a spill, Rick?
Dave, I don't know what made that noise, bro. It's
Alright, God bless y'all all.
Be a
Listen.
Dryad,
There's a dryad in a tree when you get to the top of the
which is a
mountain.
goat, half woman. Stick it in him. Go ahead, Dave.
You don't even know what a dryad is. Alright,
A goat or a
at
cow?
the top of the mountain, on the left, when you go up to the top, on the left, there's a tree, there's a dryad in the tree. Alright, she may ask you questions.
I'll give them every one.
You're going to be a little confused, okay?
Just tell him Ricky's a fairy.
Dryad, by God, I'd be way the fuck confused. I'd be like, okay, just suck a nut, and
Doing too much acid.
I've done too much acid.
The thing is,
Obviously.
when you get there, if you get to the stop and you feel disoriented,
Point being, if we make it, Dave, I'll know.
okay,
I gotta save footage for the trip. Now.
avoid the dryad, okay?
Greg, we must avoid the dryads.
Here's Bill.
You're the big one?
Oh, oatmeal? Let's see
They're
oatmeal.
good, man.
Oatmeal.
I got it.
Shit, I'm gonna fall.
Got it. It's okay. Just lay it down on the floor. It'll soften.
Alright, homie. Give your boy a hug. I'm gonna find the route.
Find those dryads.
Hey, son of a bitch. You son of a bitch, I love you more.
Listen, you don't need. Oh wait, there's one thing you need. When you come to the Dryad, hang on. I got one thing you need.
I need protection.
Right here. I have it.
There's a close-up of our Trail Pursuit
I've been
store right
saving
there.
this. I've been saving this for a very long time.
Is that weed?
No. No, this is a magic stone. Okay. When you come to the Dryad, it'll be on your left.
So hey, wanna get stoned?
It'll be on your left. You go up, you'll be sitting, you'll be panting for breath, and you'll feel like there is a presence around you. You'll feel like there is a presence around you. Okay. Alright. Now, you take this and you lay it at the base of the tree. Lay this at the base of the tree. Lay this at the base of the tree. You see the veins running through this?
Hey, you gotta show it to the camera.
It's
You see
fire
the veins? The veins are.
Keep it in one place so I can hit it, then.
This is a dead living stone.
The living stone? I thought
It's
that
a
was
dead.
family.
It's a dead living stone.
That's an oxymoron, Dave.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Dryads.
Hate oxymoron.
Dryads are not actually alive, but they're not actually dead. This is a crossover between the two worlds.
Can we make it, Greg?
Let's go.
This
Go,
symbolizes, this is a bloodstone.
Don't lose your shit.
This is the bloodstone of the Dryad. It's the only one I've got.
It's not bloodstone.
You see the veins?
The bloodstone
Do
comes
you see the
straight out.
veins?
Go.
I love you, David.
I
Alright.
love you too, man.
I love you more, you son of a bitch.
Nah, guys.
Nah.
Son of a bitch.
No, you're a motherfucker.
No, you. I love you, bro.
Alright.
Alright. Take a lap.
Uh-oh. I need my beer.
Damn it.
I ain't leaving my beer.
I gotta pause it again there.
Are we bringing that son of a bitch in here? I didn't fall. I'm good.
It's a good documentary for him, man.
Even better for you, motherfucker.
That's justification for me, man.
It's justified, Justin Timberlake.
Justified.
Where's my
I don't know if you need any more beer, right?
beer? Let's go, motherfucker. Who said, dude, I will take that camera and I will make it disappear real quick.
We're trying to shoot a documentary, man.
No, I got one.
I gave you a beer.
I'm just trying to be mean.
Uh-huh.
Hey. I am mean.
Hell, I can't even find my beer now. You just all
Your beer's right here, David.
man.
Oh, fuck.
The fucking mirror fell over and broke, man.
Hey, don't say nothing.
Damn.
Don't say nothing.
Yeah, we got it. But, man, this footage is gonna be real slow though. Here, let's go.
Oh, you ain't got a flooded.
Alright, we'll just film the good parts then. Well, we're headed into the woods, but video camera's not picking up much, so I'm gonna pause it here until we get. You alright, man? Alright, well, I'm pausing it. Well, we made it up part way of the hill, but
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
it's the Blair
I'm
Witch,
so
man.
scared. What do they call that?
Blair Witch
The Blair Witch.
and the Dryad.
And the Dryads. They over here, they
Hey, yeah,
like,
put your rock on this tree.
ah, they finger raped my ass. Ah! And we're all dead.